Loud as you can.
Okay.
Thanks for joining us. Mahela, what do you think about golf in India? You're supporting Colombo Sixes. It's a big deal for golfers, I'm sure.
Yeah, it is. I think golf in India has taken a big step forward. I think you've got Indians playing in the European circuit, the majors, and it's amazing for India. But what we want to do is try and promote golf in Sri Lanka as well. I think it's a beautiful country, and we've got some young talent coming through. But I love golf. I mean, that's why I'm part of this. That's my hobby. During cricket, when I want to get away from it, that's why I go off to a golf course and play around. So it's unique to be part of this, and it's fascinating to see all these professional golfers playing long balls and hitting some really good shots. So it's fun watching it for a change.
When did you pick up golf, and what triggered you to lift the club?
Well, I think started playing about 8 years ago, but I wasn't very serious. I was just on tours, when I get a time off, I go and hit a few balls, but I wasn't very good at it. But I think the last 3-4 years I've been more serious, trying to improve my game, and I enjoy it more, I guess, now, because I'm getting a bit better at it. But mainly just to get my mind off cricket when I'm on tour, and just to relax and not stay cooped up in a hotel room, and just go walk in a golf course. It actually refreshes you a lot.
What triggered you to sort of pick up the team in the first place? And the idea that a lot of golf and golfers from India are getting into Sri Lanka to play is something that should be a big pitch there as well.
No, it is. I think obviously Shiv and Neeraj are two good friends, and when they came up with the concept and asked me whether I was interested, I think it was a no-brainer for me, in the sense that get me involved in the game a little bit more, because I've gotten involved with Sri Lankan golf, trying to help them to promote the game a bit. So this was a good platform, I guess, to have the Colombo Sixers and have a young Sri Lankan boy playing in it as well. So hopefully the rest of the guys will follow that as well, and knowing that there are opportunities for them.
Mahela, you and Shiv Kapoor were playing a pro-am when you started discussing this idea. Do you think golf is really what lends itself to business, and Sri Lanka is perhaps going to start seeing that in its real form?
No, definitely. I think, yeah, Shiv and I was playing around in Colombo when they first had that tournament back in August, I think. And they're going to come and have another tournament in April, which is good news for Sri Lankan golfers, because they get an opportunity. The Indian golfers get to go to Sri Lanka and play in some good courses, and the plans are in the future that there'll be another 4 or 5 new courses coming up in the island, which is great news for Sri Lankan golfers. So yeah, I mean, all in all, it looks very promising, and it's good to be part of it. And I'm glad that I played that round of golf with Shiv in Colombo.
Just a very quick few questions. One is, who's your favorite golfer in India and outside of Indians?
Well, I can't go beyond Shiv. I think if you grow up, we have a very good friendship as well. So I do follow him in his European endeavors and in Asian endeavors as well now. So yeah, it has to be Shiv in India. But I think overseas, can't go away from Tiger. I think everyone loved Tiger. I mean, he's probably the one guy who changed golf in general. But there are some young talent coming through. Rory looks really, really good, and for a neutral, it's very enjoyable watching golf.
One course that you want to play?
Hopefully St Andrews one day. I don't know if they allow me to.
Of course, I'm sure they will. One quick question about Ministry of Crab. You and Sangakkara are partners in several things, whether it comes from food to a golf team. This partnership, where else can it go?
I have no idea, but we end up doing most of the things together. I think it's just that we complement each other well on and off the field. We've got a very good friendship going, and obviously when it comes to businesses and ventures as well, we discuss things and get involved in it. I think in golf, I don't think Kumar had much say in it. When I said we're going into this, he didn't have a say. He said okay, no worries. But yeah, I think the restaurant is doing pretty well. I'm very proud of that, and yeah, I mean, hopefully when we finish playing cricket together, this gives us more opportunities to hang out and do different things.
You mean you guys could even golf together?
we do play a lot of golf when we're on tours, whenever we have the time. Kumar loves his golf as well. Unfortunately, in Colombo, he's tied up with the family and the kids and all that. He doesn't play that much, but on tour we do. So hopefully, we get to travel a bit more and play a bit of golf and do various things, I guess.